Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about PDF editor. And in this video, I will show you how to add clickable hyperlinks into your PDF file using Google Docs or for free. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do here is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser and make sure you log in with your Google account. Having logged into your Google account, come to the top right here, click on Google Apps. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and navigate to Drive right here. So on getting to your drive, first thing first, make sure you upload the PDF that you want to use in your drive. Having uploaded the PDF to your drive, then the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and open the PDF with Google Docs. And for that, I'm going to use this particular PDF right here. So click on the PDF, then come to the sidebar right here, click on these three dots right here, then go ahead and make sure you click on Open with, then go ahead and make sure you open with Google Docs. Click on Google Docs. And here it's going to load up right here. Allow the Google Docs to load the PDF just like so. Now we have the PDF being loaded successful. Now let's say we want to add a clickable link into any word right here. So for instance, this word instrument right here. So go ahead and highlight. So once you highlight, that is when you can actually add a clickable. Once you highlight the word, or for instance, we want to highlight this last instrument right here. So once we highlight, next thing we want to do is to come to the top right here. You click on this insert link, and just like so, you have options right here. You can insert different file, different folder as the case may be, even from your Word. You can also click on here to see more. But in this tutorial, we want to see how we can insert an hyperlink that can redirect us to another link once they click on the link on the PDF. So for that, I'm going to use a particular link as an example. This particular link right here, I'm going to go ahead and make sure I select the link and press Ctrl+C to copy. I will come back right here. I will paste the link right here. Once I paste the link, I'll hit on apply, and then you can see now it is being a clickable link. Next thing we want to do here is to export this particular file as PDF. So for that, what we want to do here is to come to top right here, we make sure we click on file. Then under the file, we make sure we click on download. Then from download, we navigate to PDF right here. And then in a few seconds, our download folder is going to appear just like so in PDF. So we can go ahead and click on save right here. So after a successful save, then we have it right here. So we can click on the download icon, then open up the PDF right here. Successfully load. Then now you can see the clickable right here. So if I click on instrument right here, it's automatically load up and redirects me to the page right here. So look at the page right here, and then this is the link when I copy it from the URL right here. So this is the link right here. So take a look at it. This is the link, okay, and this is what we have right here. It's that simple. So just like what you see right here. Okay, so it is all the same. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about PDF editor like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.